In this tip of the day, let's take a look at configuring OneCNC when using a large monitor. Now, larger monitors are very popular today. The prices have come down, and you can really get some very nice resolutions. However, on a large monitor, these icons can appear very small. Fortunately, within OneCNC, there's a very quick way to change the icon size. So what you need to do is take your cursor, head up to the upper left-hand corner and select File. From there, select OneCNC Properties. Now, within the OneCNC Properties dialog box, you want to select Display. You're going to see an option here called Icon Types. Now, the default is Standard Icons, but if I click here, there's also an option called Standard High Resolution. So if I left-click that, notice how OneCNC automatically updates, and we now have larger icons all the way around. This is very nice when working with a larger monitor. Now, another option you have is something called Large Icons. That just bumps up the icon size just a little bit more. In addition to this, you have another option called Large High Resolution. And this is going to provide you with the largest icon size possible. All right, so within OneCNC, if you have a larger monitor, it's very easy to change the icon size by simply going into your Properties, Display tab, and just changing the icon types parameter. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.